Sanoop George of grade 8A, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make compost at home with simple materials. So these are the materials that we will need. First of all, we need a pot. There has to be holes or a hole on its bottom. Next, we will need the peelings of fruits or vegetables. You can also use the shells of eggs. We will need some manure or soil, some buttermilk or laban, some dried leaves, and finally some paper. Let's begin. First, we need to take our pot, and then we have to take the pieces of paper and place it just as I'm showing now. You have to place it on the bottom of the pot. Next, we need to add the peels of vegetables and fruits like this. So here I have some cucumber peels, next I have some carrot peels, I have some potato peels. So you can add all of them, it's not necessary that you have to make layers. Next, you need to add some dry leaves. You have to add the dry leaves on top. This will help in absorbing the moisture from the vegetables and the fruits. Next, we need to add some soil or manure. This will help in starting the composting process. Add the laban or buttermilk. You can just pour it in. Thank you. I hope that your compost comes out great. Tips. Sometimes the compost gets smelly or stinky. This is because it gets soggy. So you can constitute the water by adding more dry leaves. An easier method for this would be by adding turmeric powder or chili powder. This will act as a repellent against insects. Thank you. I hope that your compost comes out great.